So Knocknashee is a residential estate of 94 houses in South Dublin. Over the 20 years I've lived here, the traffic has just built up hugely. It was just a really terrible situation that was causing such upset to our residents. Many residents couldn't get in and out of their houses.
So before the traffic interventions, people would be taking shortcuts through the estate and at any given time of the day. So anytime the children were on the green, I was always kind of nervous of them kicking a ball and the ball went onto the road, that they'd go after it. So much so that I actually spent a lot of time standing out there on the road, supervising them when they were out there.
The number of interventions that have occurred there was a main crossroads at Tremarkham, which the council have had a permanent closure of the crossroads. And also there have been a number of sites within the estate where platter boxes have been placed in order to create a number of cul-de-sacs.
I suppose, given where the boxes were going to be, we were slightly hesitant because my work is on that side, and initially I thought it would have meant going the whole way around. Because we're the last house, it was probably going to inconvenience us a bit. Having said that, we quickly found a solution. I just park one car on the other side if I think it's a day I'm going to need to be using that side a bit more. Now it's peaceful. It's a very pleasant place to walk around. Because there's no constant through traffic of cars. I'm a big cyclist, and many people that I know have commented that they will bring their kids through this estate safely with their children on their bikes, which they wouldn't have done before.
The estate is very quiet. I think the only traffic in the estate is actually residential traffic or people visiting, so it's been transformative, to be fair. So the kids can go out and play, they're safe out there.
To get across the road, sometimes it's difficult. The danger from, I've 8 grandchildren, they come here regularly, like the estate has been transformed. You see it out there now. There's no traffic, it's transformed. There's much less air pollution, obviously much less noise pollution, and you definitely can hear the birds singing and the bees humming around. So, yeah, if other people were considering doing this, I would recommend it absolutely, without a doubt.